In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clio Manage tags. We'll walk through the process of adding tags to a contact in Clio Manage, and I'll also explain why tags are useful for keeping your contacts organized and easier to manage over time. Tags can help you group people by category, status, practice area, referral source, or any other system that makes sense for your workflow. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the contact you want to tag. This can be any existing contact record that you'd like to organize more effectively. When you've opened the contact, click Edit so you can make changes to the contact details. From there, scroll down until you find the tag section. This is where you can assign one or more labels to the contact. Click into the tags field. At this point, you can either choose an existing tag if one has already been created, or select New Tag if you need to make a new one. If you're creating a new tag, type the tag name you want to use, then press Enter to confirm it. Keep your naming consistent so your tags stay clean and useful. For example, it's a good idea to avoid creating multiple versions of the same label with slightly different wording. If needed, continue adding additional tags the same way. You can assign more than one tag to a contact, which is helpful if that person fits into multiple categories. Just make sure the tags you apply are meaningful and support the way you plan to search or filter your records later. Once you've added all the tags you want, save the contact to apply the changes. This step is important because your new tags won't be attached to the contact until the record is saved successfully. After that, you can start using those assigned tags to search, filter, and organize your contacts inside Clio Manage. This makes it much easier to find specific groups of contacts quickly. Especially as your database grows, a simple tagging system can save time and make your contact management much more efficient. That's all there is to it. Once you start using tags consistently, staying organized in Clio Manage becomes much easier and more scalable. Thanks for watching.